Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and let's scroll to the very bottom and tap on General Management. As you can see, at the very first position we've got language, so simply tap on it, and here we've got the list of previously added languages. So in order to add another one, just tap on Add Language, and we've just been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. What's more, no worries if you cannot find the language you would like to set in this list. Just take a look here. They are suggested by Samsung, so all you can do is to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on all languages, and as you can see, it immediately changes and we've got much more options to choose from. So all you have to do in order to change the language is to find the language you would like to set and tap on it. So I will pick, for example, maybe French. Let me tap on it, and here I can also choose the region, so let me pick this one. Right now your device will ask you if you want to set the French language as a default one, so you can decide if you want to keep the current, but there's no point if you want to change the language. So just tap on Set as Default, and as you can see, the French language immediately appears at the very top of the list, and from now on the whole system and the whole menu is in the chosen one. So let me enter here again, and let me show you how to change the language if you've got it currently set on this list. So trust me, here we've got to the option to modify. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, right now we've got mark options, so we can mark the languages. And if you'd like to set the language which is on the second position, just tap on it and hold it and drag it to the very first position. Remember that if you want to change the language you would like to set must be on the first position. So it is. We can go back, and as you can see, the language is changed. We can tap on Edit also, and if you want to remove the languages, just mark them and tap on Remove on the trash bin icon and remove. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.